Hi, I'm Jen Woodhouse from the House of Wood. I'm a self-taught builder, DIYer, and blogger. I'm always problem-solving, designing and building everything from furniture, accessories, to outdoor living spaces. Today, I am thrilled to introduce the Avant Collection, a new line of outdoor accents decorative hardware from a brand that I've used and trusted for years, Simpson Strong-Tie. I've built with outdoor accents hardware before, and it's a great way for homeowners or DIYers to add strength and beauty to any outdoor structure. Pergolas, gazebos, arbors, anything you can dream of. Outdoor Accents has this beautiful black powder-coated finish that really gives your projects a boost in style. And they're tested for strength, safety, and performance, so you know they're gonna last. Like the Outdoor Accents Mission Collection, Avant uses the hex-head washer and fastener combo from Outdoor Accents Essentials. So you get the look of a bolted connection, but installation is as quick and easy as driving a screw. This new Avant collection has a simple, clean look. With these straight edges and chamfered corners, they complement just about every design. We built this gorgeous pavilion in less than 2 days. How's that for a fast and easy way to make your backyard more beautiful? Want to build a great outdoor project like this one? Check out all the Simpson Strong-Tie Outdoor Accents collections. Go to strongtie.com/outdoor accents and download your free project plans today.